Alright, well, Ali wants her little friend, so I think I know the perfect way to get her. Watch this. Oh, Ali's coming with us. Okay. So, she wants her friend. What is the dog's favorite food? No, 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 no. Ooh, we found it. Oh, this will get their attention. Oh, no, not yet. Not yet. No fighties over the bickies, girls. Do you just want something nice? Okay, so we put it down on. We put them on the table. We grab a one. We give it to one dog, and then we grab the bottom one, and then we give it to the other dog. And that's how you feed your dogs in between meals.